Welcome to Clueless Mechanic. I'm back. How's it going? So today we are going to be putting a new shift knob on a Ford Mustang. Super easy, so really should be Clueless Mechanic, but it's something I wanted to film anyways, and it's gonna be fun. Let's get in there and let's get started. All right, inside, very first thing we need to do before we do anything else is remove this. And how we do that is we just unscrew it. It's that easy. Now that's done, we have our shifter and a shift boot. So that way we aren't with a bunch of screws loose. But I'll show you exactly what this does. This will go on first, as so. This is going to help us. Now that that's on, let's check this baby out. All right, here it is. Had to get my little bit of my nerd side going here, so I got a 4-star Dragon Ball. We'll pull this out. So here it is, 4 stars, Dragon Ball. Like I said, little touch of nerd, yeah, this is it. This is all that you're gonna get to see. So here we go. So we take it, and we get that. It's a little difficult as I'm trying to hold the camera. There we go. We turn it. You don't want to over tighten it. It's on. There we have it. There it is. There we go. Here's the OEM one. As you can see, this I'm going to put somewhere safe because, let's be honest, I only want to buy one of those once. It wasn't much, but if I ever get rid of this and get something different, why buy it again? Just throw this on, move it to the next vehicle. It's that easy, that fun. But thank you for tuning in for a very quick, very simple edition of the Clueless Mechanic. More to come. Check it out. Have fun.